Did you know that by understanding and applying laws of money in our lives, we can create a more abundant and prosperous future? Let's get started. The law of compounding. This law states that the more money you have, the more money you can earn. This is because as your money earns interest or grows in value, those earnings can also earn interest, leading to exponential growth over time. To take advantage of this law of compounding, start saving and investing early and regularly. Listen again. The secret is starting early. The law of supply and demand. The law of supply and demand states that the price of goods and services is determined by the balance between supply and demand. When there is high demand for something and limited supply, the price grows up. Understanding this law can help you make smart investments and avoid overpaying for goods and services. The law of risk and reward. The law of risk and reward states that the higher the risk, the higher the potential reward. This means that if you want to earn higher returns on your investments, you will need to take on more risk. However, it's important to understand your risk tolerance and make sure you are comfortable with the level of risk you are taking on. And always remember, a calculated risk is the best choice. The law of saving. This law states that you should always pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before paying your bills or expenses. Aim to save at least 10% of your income and make it a habit of saving regularly. The law of delayed gratification. In the world of social media, this law is very important. It states that you should be willing to sacrifice short-term pleasures for long-term gains. This means avoiding impulse purchases and focusing on your long-term goals. By delaying gratification and investing in your future, you will be able to achieve financial success and freedom. If you have watched till the end, thank you for watching. And if you like this content, please give a subscribe and share this video. Thank you.